Pontiac Automobile error codes. If you're looking for help fixing your Pontiac Automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Pontiac Automobile error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code P0342. Camshaft position sensor a bank 1 low input. Code P1031. HO2S heater current monitor control circuit senses 1. Code P1032. HO2S heater warm-up control circuit senses 1. Code P1105. Secondary vacuum sensor circuit. Code P1106. MAP sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. Code P1107. MAP sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. Code P1108. Bar to MAP sensor circuit comparison too high. Code P1109. Secondary port throttle system. Code P1111. Intake air temperature IAT sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. Code P1112. Intake air temperature IAT sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. Code P1113. Intake resonance switchover valve circuit. Code P1114. Engine coolant temperature ECT sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. Code P1115. Engine coolant temperature ECT sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. Code P1116. ECT signal unstable or intermittent. Code P1117. Engine coolant temp signal out of range low. Code P1118. Engine coolant temp signal out of range high. Code P1119. ECT signal out of range with TFT sensor. Code P1120. Throttle position TP sensor 1 circuit. Code P1121. TP sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. Code P1122. TP sensor circuit intermittent low voltage. Code P1125. Accelerator pedal position app system. Code P1130. HO2S circuit low variance bank 1 sensor 1. Code P1131. HO2S circuit low variance bank 1 sensor 2. Code P1132. H02S circuit low variance bank 2 sensor 1. Code P1133. HO2S insufficient switching. Code P1134. HO2S transition time ratio. Code P1135. HO2S lean average bank 1 sensor 1. Code P1136. HO2S rich average bank 1 sensor 1. Code P1137. HO2S bank 1 sensor 2 lean or low voltage. Code P1138. HO2S bank 1 sensor 2 rich or high voltage. Code P1139. HO2S insufficient switching bank 1 sensor 2. Code P1140. HO2S transition time ratio bank 1 sensor 2. Code P1141. HO2S bank 1 sensor 2 average voltage level. Code P1143. HO2S bank 1 sensor 3 lean or low voltage. Code P1144. HO2S bank 1 sensor 3 rich or high voltage. Code P1145. HO2S cross counts bank 1 sensor 3. Code P1153. HO2S insufficient switching. Code P1154. HO2S transition time ratio. Code P1155. HO2S lean average bank 2 sensor 1. Code P1156. HO2S rich average bank 2 sensor 1. Code P1157. HO2S bank 2 sensor 2 lean system or low voltage. Code P1158. HO2S bank 2 sensor 2 rich or high voltage. Code P1159. HO2S cross counts bank 2 sensor 2. Code P1161. HO2S heater power stage circuit bank 2 sensor 2. Code P1163. HO2S bank 2 sensor 3 lean system or low voltage. Code P1164. HO2S bank 2 sensor 3 rich or high voltage. Code P1165. HO2S cross counts bank 2 sensor 2. Code P1170. Bank-to-bank fuel trim offset. Code P1171. Fuel system lean during acceleration. Code P1185. Engine oil temperature circuit. Code P1186. EOT circuit performance. Code P1187. EOT sensor circuit low voltage. Code P1188. EOT sensor circuit high voltage. Code P1189. Engine oil pressure switch circuit. Code P1190. Engine vacuum leak. Code P1191. Intake air duct air leak. Code P1200. Injector control circuit. Code P1201. Alternative fuel gas mass sensor circuit range. Performance. Code P1202. Alternative fuel gas mass sensor circuit low frequency. Code P1203. Alternative fuel gas mass sensor circuit high frequency. Code P1211. Mass airflow circuit intermittent high. Code P1212. Mass airflow circuit intermittent low. Code P1214. Injection pump timing offset. Code P1215. Ground fault detection indicated. Code P1216. Fuel solenoid response time too short. Code P1217. Fuel solenoid response time too long. Code P1218. Injection pump calibration circuit. Code P1219. Throttle position sensor reference voltage. Code P1220. Throttle position TP sensor 2 circuit. Code P1221. Throttle position TP sensor 1-2 correlation. Code P1222. Injector control circuit intermittent. Code P1225. Injector circuit cylinder 2 intermittent. Code P1228. Injector circuit cylinder 3 intermittent. Code P1231. Injector circuit cylinder 4 intermittent. Code P1234. Injector circuit cylinder 5 intermittent. Code P1237. Injector circuit cylinder 6 intermittent. Code P1240. Injector circuit cylinder 7 intermittent. Code P1243. Injector circuit cylinder 8 intermittent. Code P1245. Intake plenum switchover valve. Code P1250. Early fuel evaporation heater circuit. Code P1257. Supercharger system over boost. Source check enginecode.com.